If you're experiencing billing issues on Kraken, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Verify account information. Check that all your account details, including payment methods and billing addresses, are accurate. Log into your Kraken account and review the information under the account settings. Step 2. Review transaction history. Look at your transaction history to identify any discrepancies. Make sure all charges match your expectations and that there are no unauthorized transactions. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find an issue or need clarification, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Use the support ticket system or live chat feature to explain your billing problem in detail. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. Be prepared to provide any required documentation to support your claim. This may include screenshots of transactions, bank statements, or any relevant correspondence. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your inquiry, keep track of your ticket status. If you don't receive a response within the expected timeframe, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any billing problems you encounter on Kraken. Remember to keep your information organized and stay in communication with customer support for the best results.